Hi guys, today we are unboxing this very lovely color changing flower garden which has over 60 pieces included in this lovely little mess box, and it looks like it includes some beautiful flowers which change in the sun, change color in the sun, and it's got some little pebbles in there to make our garden, and it looks like it has some colored kinetic sand, which is great for sensory activities, and a little rake so we can maintain our garden. And I have a little helper here who's feeling very excited about this toy. Feeling excited about this toy?
Yeah!
Let's open it and check it out. A little bit of room here to open this toy, don't we? And lots of space where we can explore and play. So we've just moved into the toy room to give us that little bit of space. How you going there opening that toy, Krishika? It's a big box. Let me know if you need some help.
I need help.
You need help? Okay, let Mummy help you. Okay, so we've got the cardboard off. And wow, Krishika, look at what you have in there. Some lovely flower heads, some base, some kinetic sand, some little rakes and shovels. Wow, so much in that tiny little box. Wow, look at all this stuff, guys. Beautiful flowers, much bigger than I thought. We've got some lovely green kinetic sand here.
Can you help me?
Yes, I'm going to help you. Let's unbox it together. We have a really very nice put together instruction leaflet here, which kind of gives some idea of how we should construct our little garden bed, Krishika.
Let's do this.
Let's open the rocks. Okay, let's do it. Okay, very good. We've got our flower bases in, and Krishika's just moving some of these rocks onto both sides. Great work, Krishika. So we can have a lovely garden on both sides. And now we need...
open this?
Yes, we need to put some sand in our garden as well. Let's open those packets. I'm going to pour in some grey coloured kinetic sand, which looks a lot like real beach sand, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That's great.
What's
so now
this?
just spread it out a little bit. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that squishy kinetic sand. Great. Oh, it's so soft, isn't it? Feels lovely. Next one. Oh, pour that one in. Great. Okay, spread it all around. Good girl. Look at that lovely kinetic sand. Very moldable, isn't it? Green sand next?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, in goes the green sand. Look at that. Wow. Very nice. It is super, super soft, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, look at this stuff. Wow. It is amazing. Super soft kinetic sand. Beautiful. You have a little shovel that we can use to dig it up. Bag of green sand. Wow. Look at that. It's okay. Pop it in. Good girl. That's why we came into the playroom, right? So we can make a little bit of a mess. It's okay. Good girl. Look at this stuff. Wow.
Put it in there.
Yeah. Spread it out. Spread it out to the edges. Looking lovely. That's looking like a nice little garden bed, isn't it?
Next.
What's next is to build our flowers, Krishika. Are you ready? These little leaves that we need to stack on top of each other to create the stem, and then we pop our little flower on the top. Krishika's building the stems now. Good job, Krishika. You're doing an amazing job. Very good. And look at that lovely pink flower for the garden. Very nice.
Yes.
Oopsie. Connect it on tight. Yes. Oops. Do you need Mummy's help? Oopsie daisy. Let's have a look here. There we go. Lovely. Next one. Garden's coming together looking very nice. Kushika's popping some more flower heads on. What colour is that one, Kushika? Blue. That's lovely. Next colour. Another blue. You like the blue flowers. It's looking very pretty in here, isn't it? With the mix of rocks and coloured sands and the pretty flowers. It's looking very nice. Stacking the flowers on top to get these colour mixes, which is creating another different type of effect, isn't it? It's quite lovely. Very lovely. And we have got some different colour petals, flower heads to go on the top, and Krishika has decided to leave some in the bottom of the garden bed as well, which I think that is a great idea because that looks really beautiful. So now we need to maintain our garden to keep it clean. Yeah, where does that one go? Yeah, I can put it there. Clean your garden using your shovel and your rake, keeping it all tidy and clean. Lovely. Look at that lovely colour green. It's so bright.
What's this go?
What are you going to make with that? Make a little ball shape. Yeah, look at these very beautiful flowers.
This is, I want to go this.
Yeah.
I'm making some holes
Okay, that's
for the
good.
flower.
Lovely. Oh, look how beautiful Krishika's garden is coming along. Look at these lovely flowers that she's connected together using all the little bits. And now she's maintaining her garden by looking after the grass. This is the kinetic sand, green kinetic sand. We're just pretending that it's grass. And then we have down here some rocks in the garden. And we have some lovely grey sand, black sand. Look at how beautiful this garden is. It's amazing. Are you having fun, Krishika?
Yeah.
Yeah, so much fun.
I'm going to get my glass out.
Are you getting some more grass? Oh, good job.
This is red.